Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today we have a Breville 870 XL, and this was brought to us due to issues with the steam and hot water not working. So what we did was replace the tri-solenoid valve along with the water pump. This right here is the old solenoid valve, and the old water pump right here. So we got it replaced, should be working good as new, so let's pull a shot and see how it looks. Building. Looking good. Now the shot's been pulled. I'm gonna run the hot water and steam function. So get the steam on ready. It's going right there. I want to turn this knob to the steam function. Just heating up. Building up. Down in the back is the water pump. The temperature, and temperature. Got that. And next we'll try the hot water. Good steam. The temperature is looking good. Alright, and that'll do it. If you like our videos and want to see more like these, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.